So this is part of ACT. Oh, there's actually elevators, ferries, everything connects here. And this is going to be crowded with crypto guys, Ethereum guys like myself in October. And I am just checking it out and showing you what there is. It's kind of dead right now, but it won't be. So Mossburger is a really small hamburger. So, it's like people coming off the ferry. I think I'm gonna go to, well, there's food up here on the third floor. Little cafeterias, Koku's, and Servo. Juni elevator, すいません。どこ12エレベーター上で、タワー。うん。
あ、ITM 棟の12階。
そうそうそう。
あ、ここは違う。
違う。
下に降りて、向こうに行ったら ITM 棟。
はい、ありがとう。
階段ここからこう。
ありがとう。So I'm looking for actually the elevators up to the 12th floor. And it was not the way I was going. So here's the ferries. The ferry can unload here. So that's kind of cool. Ferry. So there's a food court. There's all this stuff here. So pretty much, when you come to devcon, there's really, you can spend the entire conference here, and that's their plan. So it must be up there, maybe? Oh, ITM. This is a huge complex. Oh, ATC Hall, Museum, all that there. Conference rooms, B1 to B10. Conference rooms, B1 to B2. And this is Trade Center. Right? So obviously devcon is going to be back there, but I'm going to go and kind of explore the area. It's kind of recon. Hi. Elevator, どこですか? Yeah, 20 ATC office. Number 6 elevator. Number 6? Elevator number 6. Hi, ありがとうございます. So I got to go to elevator number 6. Tax-free. Interesting. Tax-free shop. ATC gallery. Not sure what he's doing. Number 8. So number 8, number 6. So this is all the different elevators. So there's elevator number 8, number 7, and I need number 6. Elevator number 6. It's kind of cool. There it is, coming down for me. Wow. All right. I'm going to cut this off. Let's go talk some business.